Hey guys, in today's video we're doing this pretty purple kind of graphic liner type look with the WINKY LUX Sugar Palette. We're going in with the shade Rock Candy first as our transition shade. I really like the formula of these eyeshadows. I never tried WINKY LUX, but they're pretty impressive to me, and I used a couple WINKY LUX products in this video. Next, we're going in with this beige color and just highlighting the brow bone. And now we're going in with the shade Dark Chocolate to deepen up the look, and I'm using these little Luxy mini brushes. I got them in my BoxyCharm last month, and honestly, I am obsessed with them. Next, we're using this pretty purple shade, and I did not wet my brush to apply this, and it is so pretty. And it's kind of like in the pan, it kind of like it's like a cream to powder type of feel to it. But yeah, I really like this color, and everybody wanted me to use it, so here it is. Next, we're using this Pop Beauty liquid shadow to just do some, weird little shapes to do some graphic liner. I don't know why I did this, but I just felt like it, and it came out pretty good. Next, we're using this WINKY LUX liquid liner, and it's felt tip, and I really like this eyeliner. It's so black and it's so good. The only thing is that it's glossy and not matte, but I'll deal with that because it's actually a really good eyeliner and it's really easy to use, and it did not dry out on me when I was going from eye to eye. Guys, just so you know, my mom's sweet tea is so good. But we're using this CoverGirl foundation primer and just priming our face with it. And then we're going to go in with the Lancome, I'm not pronouncing the name of that foundation. Um, and I forgot what shade it is. I'll link it down below. Then I went ahead and used some Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral, I believe. And yeah, basically just concealed and highlighted my face. You guys, I haven't hit pan in a powder in so long, and this is the Rimmel Insta Matte Powder. I really like this for setting my skin. It's so lightweight, but so matte, but so not flashback-ish. And then we're going with the Pop Beauty Contour 101 palette. This is the matte one, and just pretty much taking everything in here and contouring and highlighting my face. And you guys, this is a really nice blush if you're into like that really natural blush. I really like this one for that. And then we're going to highlight with this Lancome highlighter. I'm not sure the name, of course, or the name of, like, you know, the shade. So yeah, I'm sorry you guys, I'll link it all down below. And then we're going to just take rock candy again and just smoke out the bottom lash line. And now we're going to be taking this metallic shade and highlighting the inner corner with it. And then I'm using one of the Pop Beauty permanent palettes, and I don't know the shade. I'll put all the shade and all that good stuff down below. But I really like this formula. It's so comfortable. It lasts all day, and it's matte, but it's like a plumping matte. It's like, it's weird, but I love it. And that is the finished look. I will link what mascara and lashes I use down below as well. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for coming to watch.